Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS James here. How are you today? Actually today we have a very special topic to talk about. Toyota Prado 150 series, altitude or VX or Kakadu audio of system problem. And on the screen you're actually seeing that is the photo that we took from Toyota Prado 150 series altitude 2012 model, which had the issue with the audio off and no sounds at all, and no steering wheel control, and we already fixed up that cam about 2 years ago, and you can see that we still have the photo from that car that it showed the EMVN most problem. It showed the camera was okay, and it showed the USB box problem here. And interestingly, today we actually have exactly the same 2012 Toyota Prado 150 series, and we have checking all the detail, and it show exactly the same issue like this. And you can see that in the other video that we just recently uploaded yesterday, that we explain how to diagnose in the factory screen like this, and how to identify the thing and go into the section. And when you actually click the most section here, it will come in and it show that the amplifier and the audio was okay, the camera was okay, but it showed the RSE, which belong to the roof LCD problem. And that is exactly the same issue in the same years and in the same model, altitude 2012. So we already made the conclusion that at least we found that it's about the CD player and AM/FM modules, which actually didn't respond. And further than that, we think that it might have other trouble in the amplifier as well. We haven't done more of the serious tests to go down to that amplifier more, because basically from the system it still say that the amplifier is okay, but and also it say the CD player and audio AM/FM is okay, but actually it was not okay because it already stopped working. So we didn't even bother to go too much into that fixing that system, because you have to get another AM/FM radio modules, and you have to spend several $100s before you get back to the point that you want to try to fix that up arrow. And from the system checkup we found that okay, it just showed the same issue from the same car and same model. So at the end we actually already get a discussion with the owner before, and they know the issue, they know the cause, and they know the very first reason was their own AM/FM CD player, which doesn't respond at all. And further than that, it might have the problem in the amplifier and the roof LCD, which if one of them not working, the system will stop working. So we are fixing the car, and you actually can see that is the Prado 150 series 2012 altitude that we are talking about. And we will fix it up, we will upgrade it with our plug and play system. The plug and play system will remain the factory look on the whole center console, and with the new 9-inch premium setup that we have for the wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, and with the GPS, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, hotspot, internet, and blah blah thing, a lot of things. And of course we upgrade with the new Full HD anti-glare, super night vision, and super wide angle camera. Further than that, we actually will do the plug and play setup of a dual Pioneer D-Class high performance amplifier into the car, hidden under the driver's seat at the same factory location. So everything will be a full setup, a plug and play kit to fix up the issue completely, and it will bring in a 9-inch premium setup, including the premium sound setup from the Pioneer amplifier, a duo of Pioneer amplifiers. So at the end, we are guarantee that the sound system will be better, much better than the factory sound system before, because the speaker and subwoofer inside the car could handle more performance, and those system we bring in with the dual amplifier, it certainly will bring the sound to a high level after we tune it up together.